In the last 3 sessions, we explained how to create the font and transfer the UI into the bin file and also merge the bin file. This session, we are getting to the exciting part. Burn the bin file we created into the flash of the display. Okay, first we connect to the display. You can see the display connected, and then we open the burning tool. The burning tool is UART bin to flash this file. We open this file. The interface is very simple, and first we need to confirm the port. And as you may remember that we confirm the port, use the device manager. First, close the camera, okay. And then we can see it is USB serial. That is with COM8. Yeah, the port change sometime. Okay, so in that case, we connect to the COM8, and we set the baud rate. We try to make it fast, so it is the highest bird rate, and we select the file. All being this file we created, we open that, and we open the port, and we send the file. Yeah, the first need to format the flash, and it will take some time to burn the file. It can be a pretty long time, and luckily our factory can help the customer to burn the file to have the process, and that will save the customers burning to burn all the file into the display during the production. Can be thousands or tens of thousands of pieces. Okay, so programming is successful. So then the next step, we will see send the command to test the functionality. Okay, and we have this file. Just a second. We have all the menu, and we have some example here. Yeah, first, for example, we set all the display, for example, with red. So in that case, we will use this command, and we open the serial COM, and then we open the port, that's the COM8, and we open the port and use a hex send, and then we send it. Okay, we open the camera to see. Okay, it is need all the display is red. Yeah, you can see it is red. It's communicating well, and yeah, just have another example here. And we want to clear the display, so back to the white or black. So in that case, we can use a command to make it clear, and we clear the sand area and then paste it, sent, you can see it is become white right now. Yeah, it become white right now. And also, for example, we send the field, the solid red circle that is very clear, with a very big radius. We copy that and open the file and clear the send area, paste it. We open the camera and you can see send. You can see the right dot there. This can only prove our computer communicate with our display well. But how we can prove the bin file, that is, the burned well, and then all the file in the good shape. In the next session, we are going to explain that.